Sharp lines, clean geometry, and a purposeful silhouette. The Arctic Rock is a cargo vessel that looks like it was engineered for both performance and elegance. Designed and operated by Hartman Seatrade, this ship stands apart for her streamlined design and unique deck layout, optimized for versatility in modern cargo transport. This aerial footage showcases Arctic Rock in motion, revealing the vessel's minimalist bridge, expansive flat deck, and signature low-profile structure. She belongs to the Hartman m²Runner series, a class of ships purpose-built for transporting large, heavy, and awkward cargo across European coastal and Arctic waters. With a low air draft and open deck configuration, Arctic Rock can carry wind turbine blades, offshore energy modules, and industrial machinery with ease. Her layout is designed to maximize visibility and reduce wind resistance, making her a standout not just in function but in form. The unique position of the wheelhouse, set far forward and low, gives her a futuristic, compact appearance. Built in the Netherlands and run by Hartman Seatrade, a company known for its modern fleet and efficient short-sea solutions, Arctic Rock reflects a shift in maritime thinking, smarter ships for specific high-demand roles. As the drone circles overhead, every angle reveals more of the ship's character. Her smooth movement across the water, the sharp cut of her bow, the balanced proportions of bridge and hull. This is a vessel designed not for container stacks, but for precision delivery, engineering support, and industrial cargo. After the narration, enjoy an extended aerial sequence that captures the full scale and symmetry of Arctic Rock in quiet motion.